video in how to install the ZUP indicator from the starter pack. It's the free version. So you open up a clean chart. What we want to do is you download the file, and it comes as a zip. So you extract the zip, and you've got the file contents that are, they extracted. We're going to be working with two files. So right-click, copy file on MetaTrader 4, open data folder, MQL4, right-click, paste, indicators. Okay. File, view, navigator, right-click, indicators, refresh, ZUP, right-click, attach the chart, click OK. And we won't be dealing with this template. We're going to load the template that we downloaded. Load, ZUP, the downloads, and that's that. So, and then you just change your pair to what you want and different time frame, and that's that. So nice quick video.